Using Pro Kitchen's integration with QuickBooks WebConnector, you can easily export your customer list and design information directly into QuickBooks Desktop. To install the Web Connector on your computer, simply visit the QuickBooks website and find your download option. If you have any issues with your installation, all troubleshooting information is listed directly below the download links. Once installed, you will be prompted to add an application to register with Web Connector. Select the Add an Application button and find Pro Kitchen in your documents. Now, with QuickBooks open on your computer, return to Pro Kitchen and navigate to the Export options. The third and fourth options are for exporting customer and design information directly from Pro Kitchen into QuickBooks using the Web Connector. Simply click the desired button, select the information you would like to export, return to the Web Connector, make sure the box next to Pro Kitchen has been selected, and click the Update Selected button. Similar to saving your design information as a .iif file, you will be prompted to select the design options that you wish to sync with QuickBooks. Select different pricing options per catalog. Include or exclude the catalog for the report, and a series of options for adjusting and customizing the charges for export. And finally, whether or not you'd like to include the global options for each catalog. Under the Export Settings tab, you also have the option to split the cabinets in your design based on the catalogs you have used, or alternatively, select Use Single Item. You can also select, based on your own preferences, what other products will be included in your export. When you finish setting up your export settings, find the button that says Export and click. Once exported, return to QuickBooks to see that your information has been successfully imported. Stay tuned for more information about Pro Kitchen Software's integration with QuickBooks, coming soon.